Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to Outdoor Indoor Texan. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make a spicy dill pickle hot sauce. If you love spicy pickles or just want to try something off the beaten path when it comes to hot sauce, you're going to love this one. Getting right to it, using a food processor or blender, toss in about 8 to 10 dill pickles and give them a quick chop. Follow that up with half of a medium-sized yellow onion roughly chopped. Now add 6 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, a sprig of fresh dill, or a couple teaspoons of dried dill if you can't find the fresh stuff, but fresh really is better in this case. 2 cups of pickle brine, and half a cup of white vinegar. This is 5% acidity for those asking. After the vinegar, give everything a good thorough blend so all ingredients are well mixed. Also, this is a good time to share a helpful pro tip from all my R&D work. Really blend down this sauce so the pickles aren't too chunky to bottle. The first time I tried this, I was more or less trying to squeeze chunky relish into a skinny hot sauce bottle, and it was a nightmare. So blend it really well and you'll be much happier with the results. So at this point you now have a dill pickle sauce, and grab a spoon to taste test it just to make sure you're where you want to be as far as the pickle side of flavors are concerned. Once you're done tweaking the pickle sauce, let's add some heat. Now, I've selected habanero peppers as my heat source because they have a bright fruity flavor that should marry really well to all this pickleness. And because I like my hot sauce hot. But that doesn't mean you can't substitute jalapenos for a milder heat, or serrano peppers for a more mid-grade heat, or really any other peppers that you see fit for this. Play around with it on your side and report back in the comments on what works for you. If you do go with habaneros, try starting out with maybe 1 or 2. Blend them into the sauce and then give it a taste and work your way up from there. It gets hot really quick. For me, I started with 3 and it was spicy, but I do prefer a few more steps up the Scoville scale and eventually settled with 8 whole habanero peppers for my sauce. And that sauce is hot. But again, and I can't stress this enough, start small and taste your way up to your preferred heat level. It's all about customizing this to your preference. Once you're happy with the heat index, bottle your sauce and store it in the fridge to always ensure freshness. This sauce is great, and since the pickle flavor is so unique, it matches up with all kinds of random savory foods. I've put it on grilled chicken with great results, you can splash it on a hamburger or a hot dog, and I've even found myself eating it chips and salsa style. Let me know in the comments below what you're using it with. That'll do it for this one, and thank you all so much for watching. I'm always happy to hear from my viewers, so feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Now, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, it would mean the world to me, and you'll have access to countless recipes with more to come. Alright y'all, take care.